Received this PS5. Has a HDMI problem right here. When they connects to the TV, it turns on, but it doesn't show anything. So when I checked it, this piece is moving. If you can see here, the little piece inside, this is moving. So we're gonna open it and test it. Is it just the HDMI port, or the track pads are broken, or what? So let's just start working on this. Now the rest of the screw, we will just mark it just in case. That's it. Heat, using heat gun. And if you keep on holding in position, and you can just, that's it. Now the only portion is those little holes that need putting a flux on it, and then we use our soldering gun just for the cleaning purpose. camera right there. We can see that the trackpads are so good. It's ready that we can use this. Now it looks good. Here is, first of all, before doing anything else, I do the legs first. So as you can see, the legs are fully attached. We don't have to worry about that. That shows the beauty of the work. We just put a little bit of a flux. Yes. We use the soldering pin. So now okay, so our HDMI is fully installed, and now we are ready to go to test it and see how it works. So let's go. Installation process is not going to take that much time. We're just straight to it. We're putting the screws that we removed from this portion, and it was right here. Yeah, so the HDMI cord goes right here, and then the power cord right here, and then let's turn it on, put the HDMI port on second, and let's see. Whoa! So it's working now. Perfect. So it was HDMI port, and that's it. So please like, share, and subscribe for these kind of videos. Thank you so much. See you on next video.